Aleader Longyan New Material Company Limited is thriving in this prosperous era, forging ahead and embarking on a promising journey into the future. Aleader specializes in the research, development, and production of high-performance polyurethane products, equipped with a comprehensive management system and advanced testing equipment. Our products include PU solid tires, PU high resilience products, PU integral skin foam products, PU sponge products, and PU rigid foam for carbon fiber wheelchair frames. Driven by dreams and over 20 years of expertise in polyurethane research and development, Aleader collaborates with research institutions such as the Institute of Rare Earths of the Chinese Academy of Sciences to jointly promote product innovation and technology development, ensuring our quality meets international standards. Craftsmanship in production, practical work as the foundation. Our main brand, Aleader Tire and Aleader Tire, known for its safety, puncture resistance, environmental friendliness, maintenance-free, quiet comfort, excellent wear resistance, and high load capacity, is widely used in rehabilitation aids, mobility tools, and special equipment. Our products enhance efficiency and convenience in daily life. Customer first. Aleader earns customer trust with safe, reliable, and stable products, offering personalized polyurethane accessory solutions. We are widely recognized for our excellence in product development, design, and quality control, enjoying a high reputation both domestically and internationally. We have established long-term partnerships with companies such as Intco Medical, Innovo Rehabilitation, and Mao Tian Machinery. The Aleader team is united by destiny. We achieve greatness through hard work, guided by clear goals, and serve our customers with unwavering quality. With firm belief, we overcome obstacles and ultimately achieve our dreams. We strive diligently to expand the application field of polyurethane materials. Aleader Tire, your expert in polyurethane material applications.